Alright people, welcome back. As you can see, we got the dash basically finalized. It's all in there where it's supposed to be and where it's going to stay. As you can see over here where I told you guys in the last video where I'd mount the Holly dash, my 2 gauge pods up in there. Gauges won't be permanent. They're just for now. They just work there and I don't feel like eliminating them completely and making everything go through the Holly at this moment. But I'll probably be upgrading to like the Holly 7-inch or I think it's like a 6.8-inch Pro Dash or the newer like 5-inch dash. But everything in here works as it should, as you can see. Nice quick release steering wheel, got the center console, and well, got this center bezel all done in carbon and all that stuff. Nice and neat as it should be. We've also got a center console to put in this car. So I got another 11 to 14 or 10 to 14 center console I'm going to put over that. It's going to hide some of that wiring. I'll have to cut it out for the shifter slash solenoid and parachute combo. And then that'll be it. It wasn't too hard to get this thing all set in there and set in place. Car does now run off the key. Switch panel is basically independent and just runs like lights, boost controllers, fans, just the municipal stuff. But everything else runs off the factory key. It's nice and simple. Makes everything nice and clean and easy for me. But let's come right over here. We'll see the center console I just picked up. Got this thing for 50 bucks out of our local junkyard. Everybody else is asking like crazy numbers. They're asking like 150 bucks or so for this thing. Some are asking like 100 bucks just for this bottom part and like another 80 bucks for this panel. We all know I have to chop this up to make it all fit around all that. So there's no reason to pay all that money. So, like I said, let's get this thing set in place and see how it turns out. Alright, so this is where we're at so far. There's a little bridge piece that you can tell goes from here to over there. Had to cut that out because the shifter needs room. I notched the shifter. That way it would fit around that bezel where it dips down without having to cut this up. Don't want to cut up the top panels or anything. Trying to make this as clean as possible. Any cutting I had to do on this entire project, I made sure that it's not visible. It's as clean as possible. Sadly, I am going to have to move the parachute handle, which was mounted there and there. But I'm going to move it over here to the emergency brake handle spot. So it'll be nice and simple. Shouldn't be too bad to do. Plus then the chute handle will be on my side, not the passenger side. Basically, I just let off of the trans brake button and then hold my hand there or a steering wheel, because I'm probably going to move the trans brake button to the other side of the wheel. So I'll just be able to hold on to that until the end of the run and then, just smack the parachute handle and be done with it. Since this thing does all the shifting for me now, it's nice and simple. But yeah, I've got this all nice and clean and set up how it's supposed to be, or how it's going to finish up. All right, so this is where we're at. Basically, we are finalized. This is where everything's going to sit, where it's all going to be. I do got to finish up, fix a little bit of gaps on the side of this thing. As you see, obviously putting that little plate that's missing here and just cleaning up little things. I can vacuum it up and stuff like that. But overall, this is how it's all turned out. I know I didn't get real in-depth on, finishing the dash or the center console. It's all pretty self-explanatory. The dash just slides over the existing 05 to 09 dash bar, crash bar, whatever you want to call it, and you just drill in your holes for where they belonged for the original. So there's going to be some spots along the bottom of the glove box. There are some spots here in the center. There's some spots over there under the driver's side as well. And then the rest of this stuff kind of just bolts in, just sits in place, and it's pretty simple and easy. If you have the 11 to 14 dash bar and you want to use the the newer radio and stuff like that, obviously put that bar in, change all your wiring over, and then do it as you should, and it'll be nice and easy. Putting the center console in, super simple. I basically just trimmed some plastic around the shifter column, and just everything just worked out real nice and real easy. Don't have any cup holders. Might be able to make something work here for later with a 3D printer, or just chop up the original one I came with it and just see how far I can go until we have nothing left and there's like a half moon hole in there. But I just don't want to get too much in the way of the wiring and stuff on the solenoid and the not the emergency brake, but the parachute handle. But yeah, that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. It wasn't too long, but yeah, it's pretty simple to do this. Give me some door panels, give me 2 new Kirky seats, and that'll be it for our interior.